Namaskara. So welcome to Azurite Navodaya and Sainik classes. So today what are we going to learn? Yes, let us see. So here there is Praveen and his birthday is there. So what he does, he cuts the cake into four parts. So that is equal parts, right? So there are four friends of his and everyone gets one piece, right? So there are four pieces, there are four friends, one piece is given to everyone. So that is how many piece everyone gets? In four piece everyone gets one piece. So that is what we say it as fraction. That is the fraction representation. In four pieces one piece everyone gets, that is the one piece, right? So this is what is the part of whole. That is the whole cake was there and there they cut into parts. That is the part of whole is what is the fraction, right? So we read it as 1 in 4. That is in 4 he got 1 in 4 or 1 by 4 or 1/4 or 1 upon 4. We read it in so many ways, right? So 1 in 4, 1 by 4, 1/4 or 1 upon 4. 1/4 we have to remember because they give in the question as like this. So if you consider 3/4 is eaten, so that is 3/4 of the cake is eaten. 3/4 means 3 divided by how much? 4. In 4 parts 3 is eaten, so remaining will be 1 part, right? So in 4 part 1 will be remaining, so that is what 3/4 means 3 by 4. So that is how you have to remember. So let us see the next, that is here numerator and denominator. 1 here that is on the top is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. What? The top one is then called numerator and the bottom name is denominator. So what is the top one name? That is the numerator and the bottom name is denominator. So that is what you have to remember. Okay, so then what we have to know here is that is about the different fraction. So half means, so this full cake is divided into two parts, so half, right? So 1 by 2, so there are two pieces. In two piece one piece is given, that is 1 by 2. So one piece in two pieces, so that is the half we say. Okay, so then what we have to remember is the quarter. So there are four pieces, four piece, one piece is given means it is quarter, that is the quarter. Okay, so if someone asks 10, what will be the half of 10? It is 5 rupees, so divide by 10, so two pieces, right? So in 10 two pieces if you make, you will get 5 rupees, two pieces. So then if someone asks what is the quarter of 20, so that is divide by 4, four piece you make. So in 20 rupees if you make 4 piece, 4 5 are 20, so everyone gets 5 rupees. Now let us see how do we represent the colored part. Here representation of the part. So here we have to count the total number of parts. So how many parts are there? 1 2 3 4. If you count, there are total 8 parts. In that 8 parts, how many parts are colored or given? 3 parts. So in 8 parts there are 3 parts are given. So that is in 8 parts 3 parts. So 3 parts in 8. 3 divided by 8. That is how we represent it. So let us see the next part here. So here if you see, this is the cake. Okay, so half it is, if you make half two pieces it will be half 1 by 2. Now if you make two more pieces, so what will happen here? Four pieces will become. In four how many pieces are given to you? Two pieces. It is the same cake, so it is half only, right? So it is equal. Now if you take one more, that is it is half only. If you make three pieces in that, and here also three pieces, so total will be six pieces. In that three pieces are given, but it is half only, that is the cake is half, right? So 1 by 2, so though you made three pieces, so it is 3 by 6 now. 1 3 is a 3, 2 3 is 6, so in each three pieces is made, right? So here if you made three pieces, what will happen? It is same cake, that is the half cake only, it is divided into more pieces. That is what it is, the same cake. So we say same as equivalent. That is equi means what? Same here. So equivalent means what? same cake. So just same cake we are representing in different manner, right? So here if you take the same now, so half only I am divided into how many parts? 8 parts, right? So half I am dividing in 8 parts. First I divide it in 4 parts. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2 is how much? 4. So 2 divided by 4. In 4 parts, 2 pieces is given. So that is half of 4 is 2. So it is the same thing as 1 by 2. So same cake, half cake only, right? So here if you again divided into 2 parts, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, right? So in 8 parts 4 pieces, that is the half of 8 is 4, right? So that is the same cake, just we are making more pieces of it. The same cake is same, that is equivalent we say. So let me take one more example. Here there are how many? 3 pieces are given, so just I have divided into 9 parts, right? So 1 by 3rd cake was there, so I divided into 3 parts. Every piece I divided into 3 parts. So 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So it will be how much? In 9 parts 3 pieces, right? Or in 3 pieces 1 piece. It is the same piece, just we are cutting it again. So while you eat, if the piece is bigger, what you do? You cut it and eat one by one, right? So the same thing, we cannot eat the whole big piece at once. What you do? You cut it and eat one by one. So you eat the same piece, right? The same part. So here also same thing, we just are cutting here and making more number of pieces. So here 1 by 3, if you make 3 pieces, so what it will be? 1 3s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So that is in 9 pieces 3 pieces, right? So same thing, same cake. So just you cut and eat it, that's it, right? So here you can multiply by any number. Okay, so let me take the third example. 15 pieces are given to you in 20 pieces. In 20 pieces 15 pieces, I make 10 pieces in each. So what it will be? 15 tens are 150, 20 tens are 200. It is the same as this cake, right? Just we are cutting it into more pieces. So can you see here? Here it is half only, but we are cutting it in more parts. That's it, right? Here if I again only make 4 parts, here I had made 10 parts, right? Let me make only 4 parts. So 15 fours are 60, 20 fours are 80, right? So it will be how much? 60 pieces in 80 pieces. So you can multiply by any number, that is you can make any number of pieces, right? So that is you can multiply by any number and you will get the same number of cake, that is the same amount of cake, just making the number of pieces more, just more pieces ashta, right? So this is what is about equivalent fraction. Equi means same, same cake, just we are dividing it, just we are making it more pieces, that's it. Now we have seen that the same cake was divided into more number of pieces. If you join those pieces again together, it will form a bigger piece, right? So the same thing here. So we say it as simple form of fraction. So let us see now. So here if you see, this is the bigger piece. Now if you divide, what will happen? 4 pieces will happen. Now if I again divide them, it will happen 8 pieces will be there, right? The same half piece. So what did we do? We form the equivalent fraction. That is how many pieces now? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 pieces, 4 pieces are given to you, right? So here in 8 pieces, 4 pieces are given to you. So if I join together, I remove this. If I join together, what will happen here? Yes, that is we divided with how much? 4. So it will be again half cake only, right? So half cake. So 4 ones is 4, 4 twos is how much? 8. So answer you will get as how much? You will get answer as 1 by 2. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. That is the half cake only. Just we divided, you got the equivalent and then you join it, then you will get again as the same, that is half piece, right? This is the simplest form. Simplest form means dividing, that is the joining the cake, right? Dividing, you will get the simple form, there should not be any common after that, that is 1 by 2. After 1 by 2 you will, can't be dividing, right? So here we divided with 4, so 4 and 8 will come in 4 table, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. right? So if you see here, this what we are doing, we are finding the HCF of 4 and 8, that is the highest common factor. Common, what is common, we are removing that. So 4 and 8 HCF will be how much? 4. So we are removing the common factor, right? So that is the meaning. So let me take one more example here. Here if you take the second 6 by 20, so 6 and 20, what will be the HCF? That is 2. So we can divide with 2 here. So if you divide with 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20. So 3 pieces and 10. So if you join them together, so in 10 pieces you will get 3 pieces, right? So that is the meaning of simple form of fraction. So how do we find? We have to cancel the common factor. That is, in which table both of it will come, you have to see and then divide with that. That is the HCF, highest common factor, we have to divide with that. Understood? So this is about fractions, and then what? Representation of fraction, that is the colored part, or that is the given part representation, and then after that equivalent fraction, and then simplest form of fraction.